What a fantastic day for a walk. We're here in Massachusetts over in Northborough with our friendly Pono the poodle. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, a couple of days after Thanksgiving, and just a completely perfect day, a completely perfect area for a nice afternoon walk. I hope all of you are doing great out there. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I do hope you have a great Christmas as it's coming up. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm on your side, know that. If you need somebody on your side, you've got Jerry McGillicuddy. Signing off.